Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the assembly method for this U-shaped pool. First, we will receive the same as before. We need to categorize all the parts first. After categorizing all the parts, place them together. Especially this kind of long strip, you need to sort out the different width sizes. The position where they are used is different, so it's essential to sort them out well. Otherwise, it will be troublesome to dismantle them if assembled incorrectly. Especially pay attention to the skimming pool. The shape of the fixers on the edges needs proper assembly. First, we need to separate them here. This is how it is placed. The middle arc is placed in the center. Then the flat parts are placed on the sides. That is placed on both sides. Once you know the position, it will be a bit easier during assembly. It's important to note that they come in pairs. So they are all paired up. Next, regarding our assembly method, we need to fix the base first. Then adding the keel will make it more secure. We will first use these 4 pieces to secure its 4 edges. Okay, start by inserting here. Make sure the positions match. Let the sides with the logo face outward for better appearance. This way we can assemble in this manner. This side is the same. Make sure the logo is facing outward here too. Be careful when pressing here. Do not press on the spot. It could easily break this thin part. So, be cautious about this. Once assembled, pressing here will be okay, because there's a cover clip here. It will hold it in place. During assembly, make sure to pay attention to the process. Do not let it break. Align and lock the bottom slot tightly. Then we will secure the top. Once the assembly is in place, everything should be level. It should all be flush, so it must be properly aligned. After securing this, it fixes the 4 edges. Next, we will secure the middle U-shaped keel. To increase its stability, it uses 2-pronged connecting rods. It's inserted inside. The outside uses a reinforcement function. As long as the size inside is correct, it should fit precisely. You just need to insert each piece one by one. First align the 2 axles. Then forcefully insert each end. This type of connecting rod, because the prongs are thin, can easily break. So we also provided you with 1 to 2 extra ones as spares. No, it's fine. Okay, this is the installation of several keels. After installation, all these edges are flush, so the middle board can be more accurate. It won't protrude. Next, we need to install the 2 flat panels on top. Using this, moreover, we already did the stainless steel strip for you. We have already done the sticking for you. If there are sharp edges, in case we send you unpeeled ones, you just need to peel off the backing. Align and stick it on. Generally, we will help you stick them on. Just align and insert. Align and insert here as well. Align and insert. After inserting, now it's properly positioned. Next, we will make the middle U-shaped form. Using thinner wooden pieces. They can bend. Thick wooden pieces cannot be bent, so we use thinner wooden pieces to consider its sturdiness. We added a very dense keel. This will enhance its strength. It won't break easily during use. We received this flat piece, and we can bend it slightly like this. First, bend it slightly. Don't bend it too hard. Don't break it. Bending it flat like this is fine. Don't forcefully pull it like this, right? Bend it like this. After bending it a little, we then bend it up and place it at the bottom. After placing it at the bottom, gently adjust the positions on both sides. Then, after adjusting, align the middle slot and leave a gap in the center. Then, we can stand it up. After standing up, when bending down, we can push it to the side. Pull both sides. It won't pop out easily. If it pops out, don't press it down with your hand. Next, we take the middle piece. As I said, this is the middle one, and these 2 are the sides, which are easy to identify. This is the middle piece, and these are the sides. Now, let's take one from the middle. Then we insert it into the middle. Insert it in the center position. Then make sure the board's teeth can come out through these 2 holes. Come out through these 2 holes. Here, it's locked in place. Then use this disc to secure it. Just insert it in. Then do the same on both sides. Insert the points. After securing this end, we can also stand the other side up. Then, similarly, we can distinguish this round piece. There are some on the bottom. Some are okay. We can have this side facing out. This way it will look better, more aesthetically pleasing. Align with the 3 connecting plates. Then align again, with the middle, some fixed points coming out. secure it in place. Then, after pressing it into place, we insert this part again. Insert this part again. Because these need to be aligned before installation. So don't use too much brute force. It might break. Once the middle part is secured, it will be easier to secure the two sides. The same goes for this side. Let's take one from here. Some have a front and back. You can distinguish them yourself, right? Then we can insert it and align it to one side. Align like this. Then secure it in place. Using this disc. The surface is secured and the other side is the same. Align both sides. Then secure the round piece of the fixing tool. Once this piece is secured, the other side is the same. Make sure to place the shiny side outward. This will look better. It can be a bit tricky to place here. You see, there can be some interference here, right? There's a little trick here. Just push the edges in. Push upward. This way you won't hit the edge. This won't interfere. This is something to note. Then secure it in place. Both sides need to be fixed together as well. This will be fixed a bit better, so that it doesn't lift up while adjusting. Find the right position. Find this position precisely. Just wedge it in. As for the small discs, we'll also send you an extra 2 of those. To avoid losing them, you can also use a bit less. This way. These 3 fixed plates are used to secure this curvature. This can ensure its curvature. This way, everything is already secured. Look below. Its ribs are very dense. They directly work on the position of the string. It's not secured using this flat board. Like this kind of wooden board. You press it like this. It will definitely bend. Not straight. But if you apply such force like this to press, it is very sturdy, very sturdy. So our ribs are also perpendicular to its curvature, aligned with the curved surface. This way, the sturdiness is very good. So you can rest assured. After everything is installed here, for example, some people might find that after installation, one side might stick out a bit. This panel might stick out a bit. This part can be slightly adjusted to the left or right. We can see we've left you some leeway. This board has some left-right adjustment. What we install is usually just right. It can all fit nicely when placed on top. If, for example, like this, it dropped down a bit, then we can push it a bit. Adjust its position. Push it up. Push this part up. Then lift it up a bit from below. Put a little pressure on where it clips. This way, it becomes much better than before, right? Everything can move, can all be lifted up. Push this part down a bit. Lift this part up a bit, so that it fits just right. Then we have it installed.